guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an African inspired haul. I will be featuring African hair wraps, some clips, African earrings, and a slew of other things. But the video will predominantly show you various head wraps that are African inspired. Okay, so if you would like to see this video, stay tuned. This video is brought to you by Affrodive prints. Upon receiving a lot of these items, I was thoroughly impressed with a lot of the things that I received. I love the quality, I love the patterns and the colors. I thought they did a wonderful job with the creation of these items. All right, so let's get into this video. So I'm first going to show you the variety of patterns that I received for the head wraps, okay? All right, so this is more of your traditional Ankara pattern. This pattern is actually one of my favorites. If you look closely, it has like a blue stripe with pops of color. Looks like different leaves in this pattern. All right, and it's kind of wrinkled right now because I actually wore it, and you're going to see it later in the video, okay? But I really love this particular print. This is a smaller headband that the company offered. Has that, of course, African print, but it's already designed for you, so you don't have to do any tying to this one. This is just a quick and convenient way to style your hair, okay? So you just throw this one on and you're out of the door. You don't have to do any tying, no thinking as far as what particular knot you're going to create. It's already done for you with this one. And this one has your golds and it's very pristine. Golds and your browns and your earth tones. It's very tribal. Thought this one was pretty tribal. Really like this pattern. It's another pattern with pops, small pops of color. This is the back of it. I really like this pattern as well. If you open it up, you're able to see more patterns. Pops of yellows, and it has like a green undertone to it. Isn't that nice? And here you have this simple but very chic and elegant gold pattern. And you see it kind of has like a shimmer to it. I also received some bonnets, some African bonnets, and I thought they were so cool. And this is a very stylish way for me to be able to protect my hair, but also look cute at the same time. You see how it has the silk inlay inside of the bonnet? How cool is that? And this particular, although I call it a bonnet, it can also be worn outdoors as well. It has a little tie in the front, so I can actually cover my whole head. If I'm trying to do a protective style, I just wash my hair. I can also go out in this particular bonnet and just tie it up in the front, and you would never know that I'm protective styling at the same time. And I was also given a smaller bonnet for one of my girls to wear. So if we want to decide that we're going to match that day, I can just throw this cute little bonnet on her head and we can wear it out like this. So I really like the makeup of this particular head wrap. But it's more so a bonnet styled head wrap. Here I received another bonnet with a different pattern. This has the black silk inlay. Gonna be styling and profiling while I'm going to bed. I also received a variation of different types of clips from the company. Very chic and stylish. So if I want to just quickly jazz up my style, I can just add some hairpins to it. Gives it that nice pop of color and pizzazz. Isn't that nice? And I could just take one of these out and replace it with another color. And that combination could work as well. Cute, right? I also received this African inspired woven fan. This has a variety of different materials that we use to construct the fan. It's nicely woven. I love the colors and it's handcrafted. I think this is a perfect item to use if I were to go out on the beach or if I'm out in the hot sun. I definitely feel the chill as I fan myself. So this would be perfect for outdoors on a hot day during the summertime if I'm trying to be cute but also keep cool. I also saw that the company would use it for wall decor. So if you want to hang it up on your wall, you could do that as well. I also received some African inspired earrings. These are the wooden bone earrings. And I'm just going to try them on so that you can see how they look. Let me take out my current earrings. Definitely gives me that African goddess look. I love the way they hang. This is a nice accent for any outfit that you decide you want to wear. I also received something that is wonderful for our skin as well as our hair. I received the raw shea butter cream. I also received the Tamales Natural strawberry scented hair and body butter. So again, it's versatile. You can use it in your hair or on your body. And I just opened it up and I smelled it. It smells absolutely amazing. It actually smells like it could be edible. But I'm not going to try to eat it, but it smells really good. Definitely will be using this. Alright, so let me just get into my actual head wrap try on haul. Okay, so let's get right to it. I don't want to mess up my hair, but this can go around my high bun and add a nice little accent.
Far away, but still I've been close. You should know I'm still holding on. Don't act like you don't let me no more. Can I come over? Can I come over? You telling me it's over? Why you telling me it's over? Girl, I wanna roll up on ya. Yeah, I wanna roll up on ya. Can I roll up on ya? Yeah, can I roll up on ya? Cause you said you always pick up when I call you. Yeah. You said you always hold me down when I call you. Yeah. Don't you leave me or call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me or call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me or call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me or call it, baby, call it. I admit I might be wasted. All your friends I know they hate me. You still running and I'm chasing it. I don't know, I can't explain it. So can I come over? Can I come over? So why you telling me it's over? Are you telling me it's over? Ooh, girl, I wanna roll up on ya. Yeah. wanna roll up on ya. Say, can I roll up on ya? Yeah, can I roll up on ya? Yeah. Don't you leave me, I'll call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me, I'll call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me, I'll call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me, I'll call it, baby, call it. Cause you said you always, yeah. Pick up when I call you, yeah. You said you always, yeah. Hold me down when I call you, yeah. Don't you leave me, go away, go away. Don't you leave me, I'll go away, go away, go away, you know. Don't you keep me, go away, you know, go away, go away, go away, you know. Go away, you know, go away, go away. Don't ever leave me, go away, you know. Don't leave me, go away, go away. Don't even leave me, go away, you know. Yeah, don't you keep me, go away.
That's what she said. Yep, that's what she said. Every time I come around, she acting shy. She be looking good, she be looking fly. She told her mama that I make her feel like she don't need all that makeup, she don't need no weed. A little lip gloss, yeah, that's all she need. She keep it simple indeed because it make her feel. She never eat fast food cause it make her sick. Only meat and potatoes, yeah, that girl she thick. No surgeries over here, so you know she feel. When we out in the street, she don't need attention. She ain't out here making scenes, she don't need auditions. I'm her #1 fan, so I hope she really. I give her all my love with no hesitations. I give her all my time, yeah, no limitations. It's time for her vacation, cause she need to feel like one time.
Look at my baby, always happy. I'll never change, no way, no way. You are the same. From the day that I knew that I could love you, when I saw your face, my life was changed. You rule the world. Diamonds just can't capture you, girl. No way, no way. You are the same. From the day that I knew that I could love you, I am your slave. I won't ever run away. There's a girl out a magazine. Everybody I know, they crying, crying, crying queen. Everywhere she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. Black purse hat, she wears Celine. And her hand has rocks, they shining, shining, shining clean. Every day she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. Throne, smiling, laughing, singing my songs. Okay, okay. I found a way. From the day that I knew that I would love you, when a heart gives way, then a king can change. You rule the world, stylish, classic, my favorite girl. Okay, okay. I found a way. From the day that I knew that I would love you, I am your slave. I will never run away. There's a girl out a magazine. Everybody I know, they crying, crying, crying queen. Everywhere she goes